Hello viewers, I am Alagapati Divya. I am from Anantapur district. I pursued my Master of Arts in English Language and Literature at Sri Padmavati Vishwavidyalayam, which is located at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. In this video, I just want to share a few things which I really enjoyed being as a student there. I am the gold medalist during the academic period 2018 to 20. The syllabus, which is prescribed in MA English Language and Literature, is really helpful for qualifying AP SET or Telangana SET or whatever the state you take. It's really helpful to qualify the SET exam or NET exam. That is what I really like, and I am the gold medalist there. And the classes were very regular and we were trained by very well trained professors with very well qualification like PhD, and they do number of publications during the academic years, which was very helpful for us because they do share their knowledge. So in the beginning of my MA course, the life skills programs was also offered by the university, which was quite helpful for me to overcome my self-confidence, and it also made me feel very helpful to improve my speaking skills because it was a very well interaction with other courses students too from different fields, and the life skills programs which they offer was really helpful to be self-confident and self-reliant. And that's how I really enjoyed, because during the life skills program they plan the activities in such a way that we can do the skits, role plays, group discussions, debates or mini dramas, so everything based on the students' interest, so they can promote the students to improve speaking skills too. That is how we really enjoyed with life skills programs. And I also want to share about the campus. The campus is very clean and neat with greenery. I really enjoyed sitting somewhere and reading number of books like novels, dramas and everything. The campus is very disciplined because outsiders are not allowed, and like it is very security for women to do their studies. During the course period, there were also literary association activities which were conducted by our professors with the interaction of our seniors, where we could participate in group discussions or film reviews or debates or role plays. It was quite competition with our seniors, and we did a great interaction with them, and that is how we can improve our LSRW skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing, which is really helpful for upcoming career or for gaining more knowledge. And these practical skills are quite helpful to be always confident, and I really enjoyed even the literary association activities conducted during our academic period.